Let us start with data. Right? I will just click on it. Just clicking on it will bring a widget here on the canvas. Right? So it contains, if you double click on it, it shows some data set. I would like to go for the data sets which may be, let's say that RFM segments. I will take this. Right now, this is my data set. This is how it looks like. I will close this. Now, I would like to see the data. I will see the data. Right? I will just connect this to this. And when I open the data table, I can see how the data looks like. It is as easy as dragging and dropping, but the sequence should be understood carefully. So the difference between a good chef and a mediocre chef and the bad chef is a sequence in which they do certain things. Nothing more than that. Because all of them may have access to the same knowledge, but the sequence in which they apply the knowledge points may be different. The sequence should be very clear. Whatever we are doing now is called as eyeballing the data. We eyeball the data and see, are there any missing values? No missing values, I don't see, right? But we would like to check, is there any missing values? Now it is not visible, but we would like to check it. For checking it, normally we will go for data information. Show me what information is there in the data. So when I click on that widget, the widget will come here and I can connect this and this. And once I click on it, it shows me how many rows, right? So where the data is stored, how it looks like. It contains around 1,35,000. It contains 4 columns. In fact, generally I suggest work with extremely big data like this, so that it gives you confidence. You can work with it, right? Big data is not a problem. As long as you have memory in your system, it can handle. So don't worry about the big data. All analytics is a pattern. The analytics pattern is convert all big data into small data so that I can remember, I can act on it. So that's the meaning of all big data analytics also. So convert any amount of big data into small data or patterns, and that's how we are doing. Now once we have this, we would like to go for how exactly the features look like. So the features look like this. Are there any missing values and things like that? Takes some time, and it computes all the statistics, and the statistics are visible, right? Now you can see it tells me what is the mean value, how much is the spread, which is called as a standard deviation. In fact, if you look at it, the center, dispersion, minimum, maximum, missing are all kind of AI terms. Now if you do the same thing with a package like SPSS, it says mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum as it is, missing as it is. So there will be some interchange of words, right? For the same thing, the different groups call it differently. Like I said, when somebody wears a cloth on the head, it is called turban. When they wear it on the shoulder, it becomes a towel. When they wear it around the waist, it becomes a vesty, right? So the cloth is same, but the name by which it is being identified is different, right? Here also the content is same, but the name will be different. So we would like to look at it. In this case, there are no missing values, right? Now you can change the color based on what. I would like to change the color based on recency, right? It shows, right, how the recency has been changed, right? We can see all of this. We would like to see and understand this.